know that IFAS Extension has internship opportunities and has placed over 20 summer interns in various extension offices around Florida? Here with me today is Mia Forsum, Orange County Extension intern. Welcome, Mia.
Thanks for having me, Jana.
Absolutely. So Mia, tell us what made you pursue an internship specifically with Orange County Extension?
Yeah, definitely. I have been a student at the University of Florida for 3 years now.
Okay.
I'll be a senior in the fall, and ever since I started as a freshman, I've become really familiar with the IFAS program and the College of Agricultural and Life Sciences.
So you were
and
familiar.
I've been exposed to the work that Extension does, the research that Extension does, for 3 years now.
Okay.
One of my professors, her husband, was an Extension agent, and I set up a meeting with
cool.
him and kind of learned about what it was about, and I knew that that was a path that I wanted to pursue.
Nice, awesome. So what is a typical day like for you in the office? Because I know sometimes people will have, you know, what they think Extension is until we get in there and we figure out, okay, this may be a different ballgame. So what does it look like for you being an intern?
Yeah, after speaking with the agent before, one of the things he said to me that really stuck with me was that no day is the same in an extension office. And I can definitely say that even after only being there for a week and a half so far, that's definitely true.
Absolutely.
I've taken a few out-of-town visits to a plant nursery. I've attended a few virtual conferences, which while they are still virtual, it's been really enriching to learn about Extension, not just in Florida, but in other parts of the country and at other land-grant universities.
Right.
Yeah, like I said, just those out-of-town visits, going on ride-alongs with other agents to the projects that they're working on. Really, I can say no day has been the same, which has been great.
Right. So you've done some ride-alongs with other agents, and you've been there a week and a half, which I think is enough time. How has your perception been, as opposed to coming into right now? How have you seen those agents actually make an impact in the community? Because we do a lot of things that people aren't aware of, they don't know. So what is your perception on that, and how have you seen the agents impact the community?
Really, working in the office, I'm in a desk that's surrounded by other agents, so I can hear them daily in Zoom meetings, taking phone calls, and even going and meeting people face to face that will come in and visit the office with questions or wanting to sign up for an exam or a class. So I can really see those interactions that the agents are having daily with community members, not just in designated times, but just those spur of the moment phone calls with questions, which really I can see that's what the agents are for.
Absolutely.
And that's what their goal was getting into this job, was really to help the community.
Right. So as we wrap it up and we're towards the end, what are you most looking forward to? What are you hoping to gain out of this internship, job opportunities?
Yeah.
Where's your head now?
Yeah, I mean, this internship is really designed to prepare for a career as an extension agent or just in an extension office in general. And I'm really looking forward to getting a comprehensive education about the different types of agents. You know, I thought there was just one type, but there's, you know, FNP agents, horticulture agents, there's a whole different spectrum, and I'm really looking forward to getting an education on what each of them does and choosing a career path from there.
Awesome, so you get the bird's eye view.
Yeah.
So it's great, great. Now you know that Extension provides hands-on education and internship opportunities in Orange County and throughout the state of Florida. Thank you so much, Mia, for being here.
Thank you.